All right, number 1 says that if x squared plus 10x minus 1 is equal to 0, then what is x plus 5 squared equal to? So what we have to do here simply is complete the square. All right, here the square is completed. So let's do that. Let's complete the square in this quadratic. So first we're going to bring the minus 1 over to the other side as plus 1. So just add 1 to both sides. And fill in 2 blanks here and here for completing the square. And then we'll add half the middle term squared. So that is 5 squared is 25. We'll put it here and here. On the left side, we factor and we get x plus 5 squared. On the right side, we have 26. So that's the answer. X plus 5 squared is equal to 26. In number 2, we want to add a constant term that will make this a perfect square. All right, so half the middle term squared. So half of 7, we'll just write as 7 over 2. Square it, and we get 49 over 4. That's it. That's all there is to that. Okay, in number 3, we want to solve for x. So we'll try factoring, and if we can't factor, then we'll try completing the square. So if we try to factor this, well, we'll see pretty quickly that we can't factor it. All right, signs are different. If we try 5 times 2, well, if I put the 5 here, we'll get 15. I'm looking at the 2x, the minus 2x in the middle. I don't think we'll get that minus 2x. Let's try 5 times 2 here. Here we have a 5x, and here we have a minus 6x. Okay, we still don't get that negative 2 in the middle. So we're going to try the quadratic formula. All right, let me write it down. We have x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So here we have negative minus 2, negative negative 2. That's for negative b plus or minus the square root. B squared, that's minus 2 squared, minus 4a is 3, c is minus 10, over 2a, 2 times 3. All right, so let's simplify this. We have 2 plus or minus, and what's underneath that square root? Here we have 4 and plus 4 times 3 times 10. Negative, negative here will give us a positive. So that's 4. Those 2 negatives give us a positive, and this product is 120 over 6. All right, so that's 2 plus or minus the square root of 124 over 6. We could simplify this just a little bit. 124 is 4 times 31. So if we pull out the 4 from the square root, we have 2 square root 31. And then we could divide, everything is divisible by 2, so we can divide top and bottom by 2, and we have 1 plus or minus square root 31 over 3. So that's a compact form, or a compact way of writing our 2 solutions. All right, let's look at number 4. Again, we're going to, if we try the factor, we won't be able to, so let's try quadratic formula. So we have x is equal to negative b, that's minus minus 4, plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac c over 2a. So let's simplify that. So we have 4 plus or minus, and here we have the square root. Here we have 16 minus 1 over 4. So here we see that we have a negative underneath the square root.